So good afternoon, fellow ticket holders. If you do not follow us on Instagram, meet our new family member, Pongo. Pongo is a 13-month-old kitten. He is our new baby. But the reason why he is in this video is that we are getting ready to take a trip up to Knoebels for the weekend. And we're gonna see if Pongo will go with us in the car nicely. So I wanted to basically document this, show you what we have for him to travel with, and the whole experience today getting up to Knoebels. So come with us and Pongo as we head up to Pennsylvania. And speaking of the stuff that we have for him, we have a few items here that we're taking. So in this black bag here, it is a playpen. This is what we're gonna use to have in our hotel so that he can sleep in. We have a few of those soft type of food treats. We haven't tried them yet, but I'm gonna take them with us. We just picked them up to see if he likes those as positive reinforcement. Underneath of that, we actually have a travel litter box, and this is the scoop here. We have this pillow here that he has not yet used, but we're gonna take it to kind of give him some comfort. And this gray bag here is actually the travel cube that I'm getting ready to set up in the car. That way he has most of the back seat to walk around and lay in. And we also have a backpack carrier, and in it we have his blanket. Now we do have a regular carrier that we're gonna take with us because he has not used the backpack carrier yet, and he's very acquainted with the other one. But yeah, here's what we got. So let's go outside to the car and let's set up this kennel for him. All right, so like I said, this is a car kennel. It's basically a pop-up type little tent that gives him something to ride in. It pretty much takes up this back seat when I put it out before, but yeah, let me just open it up and get it set up for him. Alright, as you can see, we have a little window here, or actually a big window. It's about the whole length of it, so that way he can see out and we can see him. And on the right hand side, there's a little door that we'll be able to put him in, and it's got a little mat here. The only thing I don't like about this mat is that it doesn't stay down. So like when we tried it out with him for the first time, he kind of slid around. But we'll try it out again today. I might have to get some Velcro or something to hold it down. And the other thing we just need to do is there's these straps here. I'm gonna just take the seat belt and come across and snap it in. But yeah, we'll be ready to go in this little kennel here. All right, I have the seat belt secured. As you can see here, I just pulled the one from that side, went through the one loop, went through the other loop, and attached it to this other side. Now, I wish there was something up top here to hold this against the seat that way with one of the other seat belts, but there's not. But I'm guessing that's pretty secure. At least it won't go flying if we have to hit on the brakes. All right, Pongo, are you ready to go into your carrier? You ready to take a ride in the car for about 4 hours? Yeah, what is this? What do I have in your face? Say hi to the people. Just enjoying the sunshine, huh? Well, we need to put you in the carrier, so come on. All right, let's go. All right, go on. Go into the other carrier. Come on. All right, get yourself comfortable for a 4-hour drive to Pennsylvania. Are you ready? Are you ready for the trip?
Hey, baby.
I gave you a towel, I gave you your bed. You got some favorite toys in there. It's gonna be an interesting trip. And before we even get ourselves going in the 4 hours, we need to hit some dinner. So we're gonna stop here at KFC Taco Bell. So the great thing about it being a KFC and a Taco Bell, Vanessa got KFC. She got a 2-piece with the mashed potatoes and gravy. And I was able to acquire a Crunchwrap Supreme from Taco Bell. All right, sir, are you finally ready to go? I see that you got yourself comfortable in there. All right, let's head towards Pennsylvania.
It looks like he has taken a little nap. What in the world are you doing?
All right, Pongo, you're back into your second visited state, Delaware. on to your third state, Pennsylvania. Alright, Pongo, welcome to Pennsylvania, your third state. Alright, Pongo, we've made a pit stop at the 7-Eleven, and oh, wait, that's what Vanessa was showing me. They have supposedly have the Fanta mystery flavor, so I'm gonna have to find that when I go in. But this is also our favorite 7-Eleven because it also has the only Laredo, Texas this far north, because Laredo tacos are normally a Texas thing. They're all over the place, as we have said before in other ones. But this one, for some reason, up in Pennsylvania has a Laredo taco, and we usually get breakfast tacos, but right there is fajitas, and there's a bacon cube, and they're very delicious breakfast tacos. Like this one. How are you doing back there? I see you have moved back to the towel, not halfway in between. You doing all right? You doing all right? Looks like you're doing just okay. All right, let's go back here and see. It is a Coke product. Looking for Fanta. Looking for Fanta. Oh, there it is. Down at the bottom, gotta get one of these. They even did it in a frozen Slurpee version too. So as I said, this is the mystery what the Fanta flavor. It is Coke Zero, zero sugar. Now it is said online, people have had tastes of creamsicle all the way to cotton candy. Being the blue color, I can expect the cotton candy, but let's give it a try. So a quick sniff, it does smell like blue raspberry cotton candy. Okay, I can see why they say the two different flavors. So it kind of has that cotton candy flavor, like it smells. We also have this weird like citrus flavor, which is where I can see people saying it might have an orange. Now it does have that weird no sugar added flavoring of the new Coke Zeros or whatever that I don't like, and I wish they would go back to the original zero flavored drinks, but it's okay. Vanessa, you want to give it a try?
That was weird. But yeah, I could see why they confuse the two.
Right? It has like both flavors.
Yeah.
Kind of like a watered down orange Fanta plus cotton candy.
Yeah, something like that.
Not my favorite.
It's always fun to try these new drinks though.
Yeah. All right, onwards up through Pennsylvania. How we doing back here, Pongo? Just sleeping, I see. All right, let's keep going. How you doing back here, sir? We've made another stop right now. We are in Gap, Pennsylvania. Out of Wallwall real quick. Do you want some water? Let's see if we can get you some water to drink. All right, I'm gonna open up so you can get some water. All right, you want some water? There you go. No? I'll leave it in there for a second. You're not gonna get out. Drink some water. Go on. Don't knock it over, please. Don't knock it over, please. Take a drink. Oh, bless you. Bless you, I know. You currently have a cold that we're hoping that we can get fixed soon. Drink some water. You've been doing an excellent job traveling. We went back and forth, sleeping in your bed, sleeping on the ground there, on the towel there. Just need to drink some water. I know. We will be there soon. We will be there soon. And apparently while we were here at Wallwall, Vanessa ran inside and got their new cookie mashup shake, which apparently has Chips Ahoy and Oreo cookies. You can see right on top of here we have both. But it looks like a cookies and cream shake. Interesting.
It's really good. It's not overly sweet, which I like, as y'all have come to know. They had so many different flavors in there. They have cream shakes, which I got, which is this is their mixture, like Chad had stated, of Oreos and Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookies. But yeah, they had caramel flavor, they had chocolate flavor of this, they had milkshakes, they have a non-dairy version. I didn't know what to choose, so I just chose the one that had both of them in, like they suggested, and it's really good. It's really refreshing, and it's not sweet.
You have not drank any water yet. You are licking your lips. Are you hungry? No, you're probably getting the snot off your nose, aren't you? Hopefully soon we can get rid of that cold. Sorry you have a cold. But we cannot drive with the water. Well, it looks like you are done. Alright, let's throw out the water and just keep moving. That way you can get food at the hotel. Look, Pongo, we made it to Hershey, Pennsylvania. The sweetest town on earth, Pongo. Also home to Hershey Park, where we come to visit. Look at the Hershey Tower. As well as the kisses on the street lamps. So pretty. Oh look, there goes the kissing tower up now. Definitely is nice to see it glowing up and down again. Oh, I guess you're sleeping. Well, that's good too. That means you're doing okay. We have made it to our hotel, sir. How in the world did you make it onto her lap?
He's been like this for the last 30 minutes.
Yeah, she took him out of the kennel.
And Chad thought he was going to be rambunctious and all over the place. He just fell right asleep.
But we are staying here at the Best Western in Danville, so I'm going to go check in and hopefully we can get a room. All right, we made it to our room, Pongo. What do you think? No, you don't. Oh, okay. I thought you were going back in the carrier. Come on. You gonna give a room tour? You gonna show the bathroom? All right, give a room tour. And this is the bathroom. That's the toilet, don't fall in. I better close that. That's underneath the sink and the vanity area. Hold on, you didn't show the tub. It's clean, it's nice. All right, you're gonna show the 2 beds. You're gonna show two beds there. Oh, we're gonna show the little entryway underneath of the. Yep. What else we got? We got a refrigerator right here. Yep. Doing perfect with the room tour. No freezer in this one, just a refrigerator. All right. What else we got? We got an itch. All right. Come on. Complete your room tour. Microwave. Yep. Oh, and a desk area. Where'd you go? Oh, showing the lamp. Yep. It's a nice lamp. Got air conditioning and a chair. And yep, you can't go under these beds. All right, thank you for the room tour. And also look how cute these towels are. They're rolled up like pieces of candy. You'd think we were closer to Hershey or something. And all right, one last thing we need to do tonight is get him all set up with his stuff. So this right here is the pop-up kennel that was in that black bag that I showed. So let's get it popped open and I can show you what it's all about. So basically it pops open just like the other thing. Basically like a hamper or any other pop open item. Boop, 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 just like that. A nice octagonal shape. And there's a door here somewhere. Okay, doors right here in the front. And the company is Ruff and Ruffus. So it's technically for dogs, but cats can use it too. Now you see that it has this. You can see it does have an opening on top, but there's a lid that needs to go on top, so let's put the lid on top. At this point, you have an enclosed playpen for your furry friend. And here are the accommodations for Pongo while we're here for the couple days. So we have his bed with his blanket underneath of it. We have his portable litter box over here. And we have his food and water station back there. Pretty good space to have when we're not in the room. I think this is really nice. We'll see how it works out. And just like that, he's able to enjoy his dinner here in the room, finally, after a few hours. He seems to like the room. He's been just running around. And that will conclude our time on the road with Pongo. I had to put him down. So Pongo did an excellent job riding with us today up here to Danville, right outside of Knoebels. He did better than we expected, so we're excited about that. And if there's anything that you saw that we have that you are interested in, I will leave all the details from Amazon. We bought everything on Amazon down below, all the different products, so you can check those out. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. As he said, we are here to go to Knoebels tomorrow, so there will be a Knoebels video coming out. And until next time, be safe, be kind, and adventure on. Bye! Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.